Welcome to my channel. Kitchen vocabulary alphabetically. A. Apron, apron. B. Beater, beater. C. Cup, cup. D. Dish rack, dish rack. E. Egg beater, egg beater. F. Fork, fork. G. Glass, glass. H. Honey pot, honey pot. I. Icebox, icebox. J. Jug, jug. K. Kettle, kettle. L. Lid, lid. M. Mug, mug. N. Napkin, napkin. O. Oven, oven. P. Pan, pan. Q. Quetch pan, quetch pan. R. Rolling pin, rolling pin. S. Spoon, spoon. T. Teapot, teapot. U. Utensil, utensil. V. Vegetable peeler, vegetable peeler. W. Whisk, whisk. Y. Yogurt maker, yogurt maker. Z. Zister, zister. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.